Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to show you how to remove and replace sun visor on BMW guys E90. This one will be E92, 91, 93 guys, the whole generation of 3 series from 2005 to 2013. So this is the BMW that we have here. And just a quick reminder guys, we have more than 200 videos taking this whole car apart. So please subscribe, give a thumb up guys, and if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below. We'll try to make a video for you. So this is guys now the sun visor. Okay, you can see right here, and we're going to be replacing the left one now, the driver's side. Okay, we'll need Torx. Okay, Torx 20. Start looking a bit like this one. We'll replace ours because that trim piece is broken. Okay, you can see the light work, but the trim piece is broken. And we'll show you how to do that now. So right here, when you open it, you have 2 screws that you need to remove. Okay, one on this side, and then we have, okay, let me show you what it looks like. Okay, this is the screw. We have one more, okay, right here, but we need to flip the visor. Okay, like that, so we can get to the second one. And you need to hold it at that point because it might drop. And it did drop. Okay, now this is guys the wire that we need to disconnect. We need to get a small flathead screwdriver, okay, like this one here, and there is one tooth that we'll need to gently pry out and then pull it out. And this is guys the sun visor, you can see out of the way in just about a minute. Super simple procedure, get a replacement one, put everything together in a reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.